115 for 117 in 1 precision screwdriver set, professional magnetic repair toolkit. The 115 for 117 in 1 precision screwdriver set is the ultimate toolset for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Designed to meet all your repair needs, this kit features an extensive range of screwdriver bits and tools for delicate electronic repairs and general use. Comprehensive bit selection. With 115 or 117 precision bits including Torx, hex, Phillips, flathead, and other specialty bits, this kit covers a wide variety of devices such as smartphones, laptops, PCs, tablets, gaming consoles, cameras, watches, and more. It's ideal for brands like iPhone, Xiaomi, Mac, and other modern gadgets. Magnetic screwdriver tips. The magnetic bit design ensures secure and easy screw handling, making assembly and disassembly hassle-free. The strong magnetic connection keeps screws in place and prevents losing small parts during repairs. High-quality materials. Each bit is crafted from S2 steel, providing excellent durability and resistance to wear and tear. The premium quality materials ensure precision and long-lasting performance for professional-grade repairs. Versatile toolkit. This professional kit includes tools such as flexible extension rod for hard-to-reach areas, magnetic mat to organize screws efficiently, pry tools and tweezers for delicate components, anti-slip handle for comfortable use, compact and portable design. The kit comes in a well-organized storage case, ensuring all tools are securely held and easily accessible. Its compact design makes it easy to carry for on-the-go repairs. Perfect for professionals and DIYers. Whether you're a professional repair technician or someone who enjoys fixing gadgets at home, this set offers everything you need in one convenient package. Applications. Smartphone repairs, iPhone, Xiaomi, Samsung, etc. Laptop and PC maintenance, MacBook, Windows laptops. Gaming console repairs, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo. Camera and watch repairs. Other electronics and gadgets. Upgrade your repair game with this 115/117 in 1 precision screwdriver set, the ultimate magnetic repair toolkit for precision, convenience, and durability.